afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Dr. John Belkowitz. I'm the, what's my title? Director of Research and Development here at Intelligent Concrete. And one of my jobs is to train some of the folks that we have here working on in the lab. Right now we got Brooke working in the background. She's doing her grout training. And she is doing an awesome job. And it is one of my greatest pleasures to train the people that we work with. And today, Brooke noticed that she had to mess up. She was supposed to break her 28-day cylinders 2 days ago and just noticed it today. So frustration, have to throw out the mixes, at least throw out the data set, because we are strict on our 28-day break policy within ASTM C39, and that's a plus or minus 20 hours that you get on forgiveness for 28 days. Just looked it up. Oh, I just looked it up. So the reason why I'm smiling and I'm not pissed off, by the way, we paid Brooke to mess up. And the reason why I'm so happy is you need to learn how to react when you mess up. It happens. Sometimes we mess up. We're human beings. My father says it best. He goes, Jonathan, there's a reason why there are erasers on pencils. So Brooke messed up, and instead of getting angry and frustrated and hooting and hollering, deep breath, throw out the mix, and then there's the recovery. We at Intelligent Concrete care more about the recovery than we do the failure. And that's where we want to see you excel, and we do that within our training program. And we will pay Brooke and all the materials that she's throwing away, if that happens again, because she's awesome. But what we want her to do is when she does go through the failure, instead of falling apart, which Brooke doesn't, we want her to get laser focused. So hopefully you learned something, at least what we're doing and why we're doing it, and why I'm standing over here watching Brooke do those mixes. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ding that bell for notifications. Go Concrete! Beat asphalt!